early in the morning to be my tongue. What's up, guys? I'm back. I mean, if you guys kind of... I'm sorry, it's so fucking early in the morning. Guys, I'm never up this early. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and I know this sounds like regular, yada yada for everybody. But if you guys follow my freaking Snapchat right here, you would know what time I got off from work. And getting home and going to bed like at 3 and waking up at 7 to go to a car meet or a car cruise is pretty cool. So I'm sure you guys have heard of the 8th, 9th, and 10th gen Civic cruise here in LA or Southern California. Your boy's gonna be participating in that. And I am gonna need a camera guy and a passenger, so look who we came to pick up. Now, the cool thing about today is I wasn't really gonna go ahead and do this. One, because I don't like getting up early because I am just that lazy. And two, I don't really know anybody there, but I mean, fuck it. This is how you're gonna be able to get out there and let people know who I am, introduce myself, and introduce the channel so that everybody out there sees what I'm doing, and possibly even make new friends. Like, I'm going with a subscriber, and his name's Hector. Shout out to you, Hector. Thank you. And I've never met this guy, and I'm gonna meet up with him after this. Now, if Victor can hurry up, we can probably hit some McDonald's before this, because your boy is hungry, and when is he not hungry? Wait, Victor, what do you want?
Sausage
Morning,
McMuffin.
what can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get 2 sausage McMuffins? God damn!
Dude.
Nice. So, dude, how you doing, man?
Good, you?
Good. Oh shit! I was able to hear you from far away, dude. It's nice.
Probably from the gas station.
So right now, I guess we're gonna be going to the 5. We're right now next to the 101. We're gonna head over with some of his buddies up in LA, and then we're all gonna mob together. So it's gonna be fucking dope. Look at that! Oh really, bro? You're gonna make me pull up in here? All right, fuck it.
That gas station.
Oh, god damn, dude, those are clean.
Look at.
You guys could have chosen a bigger gas station. Oh yeah, we gotta go at an angle because we're losers. Fuck, dude, this is sick.
This is dope.
This is fucking dope. Far in, bitch. Far in. They're like, hey, are you going to the meet? It's like, yeah, let's go. Let's go. Nope.
Hi, I'm
So,
Ty.
Victor. Nice to meet you.
We just picked them up on the way. Tony, nice to meet you, man. What's up, bro? What's up?
Oh, he can't get in. No.
Okay, so I guess we're gonna go meet up somewhere else with us. Victor, take the camera.
Oh, don't do it. Don't do it.
Get the fuck in. What are the seat? Oh, shut up!
Gotta do this one here.
Come on, Victor. I know you're good with one hand. What up?
Always.
You see that real quick? Look at that.
I know this.
That wheel just sticks out so much. That's fucking sick. Hold on, where we go? hear the clunk. Where the fuck are we going?
Dude, where are you?
Oh, hell no. I feel like I'm in a Jurassic Park.
It's fucking sketchy as.
Hey, we're in the wrong fucking car meet. This is a bunch of lowriders. They're all giving us dirty looks, and we're over here with fucking racers. They're over here with hydraulics and lowriders and Impalas and all that good shit. Hey, look at that. Hey. Hold on, look at this car. We were all lost. Where were you? What did we do? Oh, fuck. Oh, I think we're all gonna do. What the fuck? No. There's so many of them here.
He's like, dude, everybody flaked. I'm like, you should have tagged along.
Everybody flaked. Nah, everyone's here. Everyone that wanted to be here is here. That's sick, dude.
Hell yeah, bro.
If it wasn't for him, I probably wouldn't have been here. I wouldn't even know how to get here.
Just glad you made it out here, brother.
Oh, shit, dude.
See that FG2 on those RPF ones in there?
Dude, I want RPF ones. You mind if I record a little bit, big dog? No, you can keep doing that. Makes it look cool.
I didn't even get my hair today, though.
We bop and hippity hop. I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, works one. We bop and hippity hop. I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and I'm in love. I don't care.
Hold on. Dude, that's clean.
I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. I'm in love. I don't care.
Dude, this is actually really badass. Like, there's a couple people that recognize me here. That's fucking cool, right? I don't even consider myself like somebody like that, but that's fucking badass. That's cool. You guys are awesome. And like seeing a bunch of other Civics here, it's like everyone's just like, about fucking time you come to one of these, man. About time. And this is not gonna be the last one I attend to, guys. I'm gonna make sure of that. So this is really badass. You guys. Dude, like I got happy with just 2 people, with me and Hector, and then knowing that there's 40 other cars, like look at that. Look at that. I got right there, all the way down. Nothing but Civics. That is badass. So yeah, as of right now, I think we're just gonna be waiting for a couple more cars to be coming up, or I think he said 12, no? It's like in about half an hour.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
Follow me on YouTube.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice, dude.
Watch your shit on YouTube.
Ah, thanks, dude.
Surprised you made it out here from where
Me
you're at.
too, man. That's what everyone's telling me.
Like from where you're at? Fuck. That's man. Thanks for coming on.
Yeah, dude, thank you, man.
I'm the host for this shit.
What's up?
I'm the host for this shit.
Oh, nice, dude.
Yeah.
That's clean, man. Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Swan.
Swan? Tony.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, damn, dude. How many people are you expecting to come?
I don't know. Last one was over 50.
Oh, shit. Fuck, are you kidding me? I hear sirens too. Oh shit. Let's go, Victor. I don't know, but La PD's coming.
Now where the fuck am I gonna meet up at?
Fuck.
Try to turn it, we'll meet down there.
Alright. Hey, so on the real though, I'm so glad I came with Hector, because I wouldn't have not known what the hell was gonna happen. So, for some reason, I'm pretty sure somebody called the cops on us. LAPD, I just saw it with Victor, and the security guard from Dodger Stadium was nice enough to let us know, saying, hey, giving you guys a heads up. They called the cops. LAPD's on their way, and sure enough, we heard sirens. So me and Hector were like, you know what, fuck that. We're not gonna risk getting caught here in LA, especially since we're not from here. So we're most likely gonna go meet up at Neptune's Net right now in Malibu and just see if we can catch up with anybody over there. So I'll keep you guys posted.
They're everywhere.
Bro, they stopped traffic so that their gang can go. What the fuck? It looks like everyone's here just to find parking of some kind. This is gonna be the shitty part. Oh look, there's some oh look, it's all the Civic gang. It's really cloudy, so I doubt you guys will be able to see it. But there is a lot of cars here.
But I don't have that issue when it's raining.
And a lot of Civics that I've seen around town, and a lot of Civics that I've never seen at all. This has been a really, really interesting day and cool meet overall. Honestly, like, even if I met one or two people, today has been really great. It's been really good to me. Oh shit! What the fuck are you doing over here?
Some people recognize you though, so it's cool.
Yeah, I know. I was tripping the fuck out. I was like, even the host knows who I was. I was like, oh shit, dude, dope.
Yeah.
You have 18s on.
Yeah, we're 18 by 8. The rear have 18 by 9.
Yeah, low key, the MB battles go hard on the 810s, bro.
Fuck yeah, dude. I've been wanting to get these ones. And just hang on to it. It won't fall. I know, it's a little awkward. Well, shit, dude. I don't know. Today was really fucking awkward, but it was badass. I had so much fun today meeting a lot of new people. And some people actually recognized me, which was pretty badass. I am most definitely going to be doing this more often in the future. Hopefully in the near future. And we'll just see how that goes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Stay classy. Peace.